हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ बेटर होंगे। तो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज, जिसमें 65 क्वेश्चन आंसर रहेंगे। ये 100 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज थी, जिसमें मैंने 35 पहले ही दे दिए हैं, तो बचे हुए ये क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं। और ये काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं, जो कि मैंने एग्जाम पेपर से लिए हैं। उम्मीद करता हूँ ये भी आपको पसंद आएंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को प्रेस करें, ताकि इन फ्यूचर आने वाले वीडियोज भी आपको मिल सके। तो बिना कोई देरी के हम लोग वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, प्रोफ्यूज स्वेट ड्यूरिंग स्टेनोस physical activities cause the loss of sodium chloride, potassium, calcium, glycogen. Answer A is correct. Sodium chloride. In which Olympic did women participate for the first time? 1896 Athens, 1900 Paris, 1920 Antwerp, 1928 Amsterdam. Answer B is correct. 1900 Paris. The earliest person known to have invented the system of body classification was Sheldon, Christmas, Hall, Hippocrates. Correct answer is A, Sheldon. Preschool children learn things by imitation, practice, watching TV, repetition. Answer A is correct, imitation. The two great dangers of wounds are bleeding and infection, pain and swelling, shock and severing, benign and loss of tissue. Answer A is correct, bleeding and infection. In the school setting, the major channel of publicity for the physical education program is teachers, students, advertisement, intramurals. Answer D is correct, intramurals. Who said recreation is not a matter of motion but emotions? Joseph Lee, Ramne, John Dewey, John Huizinga. Answer B is correct, Ramne. The functional efficiency of muscles depends upon its nerve stimulation, girth, fiber quality, tonus. Answer C is correct, fiber quality. If the mean of 5 scores is 25 and standard deviation is 0, what will be the value of fifth score? 22, 23, 24, 25. Answer D is correct, 25. Which of the following condition is not a cause of the occurrence of plateau in learning? Fatigue, monotony, distraction, physiological limit. Answer D is correct, physiological limit. From the view of point sociology, which of the following factor is the most important one in the development of human personality? Money, art, literature, culture. Answer D is correct, culture. The most important consideration in selection the sports equipment is price, source, utility, quality. Answer D is correct, quality. Hypothalamus is associated with the control of motor actions, thinking, glands, emotions. Answer C is correct, glands. Which of the following game was developed from the English rounders Abner Doubleday in New York 1839? Basketball, volleyball, netball, baseball. Answer D is correct, baseball. Cognitive process is concerned with knowing experience, feeling experience, striving experience, thinking experience. Answer A is correct, knowing experience. From the viewpoint of psychology, sympathy is an instinct, an emotion, a general innate tendency, a reflex action. Answer A is correct, an instinct. Sigmund Freud is known to be the father of the theory of motivation, theory of psychoanalysis, theory of connectionism, theory of parallelism. Answer B is correct, theory of psychoanalysis. The number of bones in the cranium is 4, 6, 8, 10. Answer C is correct, 8. Ball and socket types of joint is fixed joint, uniaxial joint, biaxial joint, triaxial joint. Answer D is correct, triaxial joint. During experience, the cardiac minute volume in average man may rise from 4 liters to 10 liters, 15 liters, 20 liters, 25 liters. Answer B is correct, 15 liters. Increase in muscle mass due to heavy weight training is called muscular hypertrophy, muscular atrophy, hematoma. Answer B is correct, muscular hypertrophy. The richest source of protein is pulse, groundnut, soybean, eggs. Answer C is correct, soybean. Who amongst the following are found to be a most agile? High jumper athlete, gymnasts, swimmers, drivers. Answer B is correct, gymnast. Which of the following system of the body is the focal point in movement? Circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, या muscular system. Answer D is correct, muscular system. Which of the following are considered as the social inheritance of man? Traditions, habits, conditional reflexes, religious practices. Answer C is correct, conditional reflexes. Which one of the following concepts reflects the true nature of modern physical education? Physical training, science of movement education, athleticism. Answer A is correct, physical training. How many major salivary glands are there in the human body? 2, 4, 6, 8. Answer C is correct, 6. Administration and organization of physical education should be based on the principle of activity, biomechanics, humanity, teaching. Answer D is correct, teaching. In comparison to the Greek Greeks. The Romans were more authoritarian, utilitarian, democratic, aristocratic. Answer B is correct. Utilitarian. Which artery carries the supply of the blood towards heart? Carotid artery, coronary artery, pulmonary artery, radial artery. Answer C is correct. Pulmonary artery. Scoliosis is a postural deformity related with foot, leg, vertebral column, hand. Answer C is correct. Vertebral column. The law of acceleration is also known as law of inertia, law of action and reaction, law of momentum, Boyle's law. Answer C is correct. Law of momentum. Which of the following factor is considered to be most important in the construction of an indoor gymnasium? Direction, light, ventilation, floor. Answer C is correct. Ventilation. Ultra microscopic viruses are the main cause of malaria, measles, mumps, cholera. Answer C is correct. Mumps. Sphygmomanometer is used to measure blood hemoglobin, blood cholesterol, blood pressure, blood volume. Answer C is correct. Blood pressure. Which of the following is the two joints muscle? Bicep bronchi, deltoid, iliopsoas, ellipsoas, sartorius. Answer D is correct. Sartorius. Harvard step test is the test of measuring leg strength, cardiovascular endurance, agility, speed of movement. Answer B is correct. Cardiovascular endurance. The back things muscles are also known as hamstring, gluteal, gastrocnemius, quadriceps. Answer A is correct. Hamstring. The blood vessels which brings blood to the heart from the lower part of the body is known as inferior vena cava, superior vena cava, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery. Answer A is correct. Inferior vena. Which of the following activities measure dynamic strengths? Vertical jump, short distance run, forward roll, rope climbing. Answer D is correct. Rope climbing. First step budget's preparation is to search income, estimate expenditure, planning facilities and personnel. Answer C is correct. Planning. The literal meaning of the word philosophy is love of criticism, love of wisdom, love of knowledge, love of God. Answer B is correct. Love of wisdom. Resolution of national sports policy was laid in both houses of the Indian Parliament on November 19, 1982, August 21, 1984, May 1, 1987, June 20, 1991. Answer B is correct. August 21, 1984. Physical activity is basically a social attribute, psychological tendency, biological necessity, physiological concept. Answer C is correct. Biological necessity. According to the German concept of physical education, the mother of all games and sports is swimming, gymnastics, athletics, combatives. Answer B is correct. Gymnastic. In the technical terms, muscles pull is known as sprain, strain, abrasion, contusion. Answer B is correct. Strain. The 50th percentile is also known as mean, medium, mode, standard deviation. Answer A is correct. Mean. The total number of officials required for a Kho match is 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer C is correct. 6. Taylor and Spencer are associated with one of the following theories of play: anticipation, surplus energy, recapitulation, recreation. Answer C is correct. Recapitulation. One of the following is an excellent example of condyloid joint: shoulder joint, hip joint, wrist joint, neck joint. Answer C is correct. Wrist joint. In which activity lactic acid system activated? 100 meter, 400 meter, 10,000 meters, 20 kilometer walk. Answer A is correct. 100 meter. In the childhood, individual's behavior is mostly influenced by community, social, peer group, family. Answer D is correct. Family. One deformity may lead to the development of another. Knock knees may be caused as a result of flat foot, bow leg, genuflex, scoliosis. Answer B is correct. Bow leg. Which is not a primary motive? Affection, hunger, sex, love. Answer C is correct. Sex. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Pisiform, scaphoid, stapes, malleus. Answer C is correct. Step is the most important factor in the organization of recreation is material, leadership, facilities, planning. Answer C is correct. Facilities. The amount of blood pumped by heart in one beat is called tidal volume, stroke volume, blood volume, residual volume. Answer B is correct. Stroke volume. Who is said to be the father of philosophy of idealism? Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, Galen. Answer B is correct. Socrates. A physical education teacher nowadays is essentially an instructor, a movement educator, a drill master, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. Which of the following terms denote the toughing of body as its major objectives? Physical culture, play, drills, physical training. Answer D is correct. Physical training. The instrument to measure height is called vernier calipers, dynamo, मीटर, स्टेंडियोमीटर, गोनियोमीटर। आंसर सी इज करेक्ट, स्टेंडियोमीटर। सुपाइनेशन एंड प्रोनेशन आर द मूवमेंट्स ऑफ टिबियोफिबुलर जॉइंट्स, कार्पल, मेटाकार्पल जॉइंट्स, रेडियो अर्नर जॉइंट्स, टार्सल, मेटाटार्सल जॉइंट। आंसर बी इज करेक्ट, कार्पल एंड मेटाकार्पल जॉइंट। जियोग्राफिकल एंड क्लाइमेट कंडीशंस शुड बी कंसीडर्ड व्हेन प्लानिंग इंडोर एक्टिविटीज, आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज, चाइल्ड एक्टिविटीज, ओल्ड पीपल एक्टिविटीज। आंसर बी इज करेक्ट, outdoor. The duration of Russell Lance volleyball test is 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds. Answer C is correct, 45 seconds. Recreation movement in India was started by D. Mello, G.D. Sondhi, S.C. Buck, by the P.R. Answer B is correct, G.D. Sondhi. Now last question. The name of ball between left atrium and left ventricle is tricuspid ball, aortic ball, pulmonary ball, mitral valve. Answer D is correct, mitral valve. Now here 100 question answer series has been completed. I hope this question answer series will be very helpful for your upcoming exams. So please be continue and stay tuned with my videos. And you can also share the videos with your friends. And thanks for the watching videos. Now we will meet again on new topics with new videos. जय हिंद। उम्मीद करता हूँ ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो आप इसको दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।